Traditional heating and air conditioning systems aren't the only solution to heating and cooling a home. A ductless mini-split system may be the answer to year-round comfort. Here's how they work. A ductless mini-split system is made up of two main parts: the indoor air handling unit and the outdoor compressor and condenser unit. The outdoor unit needs to be able to run in heating and cooling mode. So in northern climates, where snow can build up around the unit, it's mounted on the side of the house. In southern climates, it's installed at ground level. The indoor unit is mounted high on the wall and is connected to the outside unit by refrigerant lines through a small hole on the interior and exterior of the home. When in full operation, the mini-split system sends cooled or heated air into the living space. In northern climates, ductless mini-split systems are a great choice for older home renovations, room additions, or workrooms that don't have any existing ductwork or where there's no space to install ductwork. In southern climates, they're perfect for porches, sunrooms, attic conversions, garages, and more. Ductless mini-split systems let you set the temperature of the room no matter what the temperature is in other parts of the home. They're a lot quieter than a window air conditioner. They dehumidify for added comfort, and they're energy efficient, 60% more efficient than electric space heaters, and 30% more efficient than window AC units. If you'd like to learn more about how a ductless mini-split system can provide four-season comfort in your home, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out.